Are you struggling with bold edges, with receding hairline? As you can see, my hair is starting to fill in. I will put pictures there of my edges when I wasn't using these oils, you guys. Hi family, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, you have clicked on the right video because on this channel I help you, I fix your hair problem. If you have any problems at all, I fix it. Okay, child, consider subscribing on that red subscribe button. Click on it and you'll be part of the family. You don't have to pay anything. Just click on it, it's free. Okay. And if you're my regular subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to my video. Today, I am going to be doing an update on how to mix essential oils for regrowing bald spots. As you can see, my edges are starting to fill in. I know there's a little bit of a bald spot that you can see there, but it was nothing at all. You can see it, but I can actually see that hair is coming out. They are filling in, and if you see this side, they are filling in, you guys. I'm going to be showing you how I mix my essential oils for regrowing bald spots containers, because I've actually finished all the oils, the grease and the oil, you guys, so that you can see. Now you guys, as you can see, there's a little bit of hair in there because I have been applying like the oil on my edges and I have been rubbing in the oil. So I actually saw that rubbing my oil on my edges is not a good idea, because that is all the hair I got from my edges when I was rubbing them in. As you can see, those are all the hairs that are in there when I was rubbing the oils. So you really don't need to do that. For me, it's no rubbing at all, no rubbing oils at all on my edges. I saw some hair inside my mix, my essential oil mix. Okay, so child, I don't want that. Now this is the grease that I mixed. As you can see, there's a little bit of hair in there as well. So yeah, rubbing it in, for me, it's not a good idea because it's going to leave some hair inside the container, which is not a good thing. I'll tell you the secret on how to regrow bald spots on edges. Now the secret is that when you apply it, don't rub it in, just apply it and leave it like that. Okay, and wear a plastic. Now wearing a plastic is actually going to help out the oil to actually penetrate into your scalp because of that heat that you are creating when you are wearing the plastic. So wearing a plastic is actually going to help out the oil to penetrate into your scalp. So don't touch your edges, don't be rubbing, don't rub on your edges, you guys, because by doing that you can actually lose them edges. So as you can see, my edges are starting to fill in, you guys. I'm super excited. This makes me so happy because my edges, they have been acting up. Okay, but this video is how to grow bald spots on edges. Okay. So you guys, as you can see, I have empty bottles. Actually the oils I was using to regrow my bald spots, as you can see, there's a little bit of hair in there and hair in the grease bottle as well. So I'll be starting with black Jamaican castor oil because it's very good for regrowing bald spots, and I will be using Relax essential blend oil and sandalwood and peppermint, you guys. Peppermint is very good for bringing back bald spots, and orange essential oil and amla oil. And with the grease mixture, I will be using vegetable pomade grease. Okay, and that's what it looks like inside. I also will be using olive oil super pomade grease as well. And this it also has olive oil, coconut oil, castor oil, juniper oil, rosemary oil. It has a lot of oils which I love. I'll also be using Vayada super grow fertilizer. That's what it looks like inside. And I will be using Indian hemp hair and scalp treatment grease, and that's what it looks inside. It's very thick consistency. And I'll be using Blue Magic as well. So you guys, and this is my moringa oil. It's in an olive oil bottle, but it's actually my moringa oil. I'll leave a video in the description box below so that if you want to copy the recipe, you can. So now I am mixing the essential oil mix. Okay, this mix, it actually helps to regrow bald spots. Now if you want to regrow bald spots on edges, do as I am doing. Mix the essential oils the way I am doing. So how to grow bald edges on hairline, and how to regrow bald patches, how to regrow bald spots naturally. This is my avocado and carrot oil. I also did a video on this as well. You can go and check it out in the description box below. I will leave it in there. And I will be using my castor oil. I'm going to put a lot of castor oil in there because it's very good for regrowing bald spots. And my moringa oil, I also will be putting that as well because I have seen that it thickens my hair, it thickens my roots as well. I'm going to mix it up, and it has a thick consistency, the oil mix, the essential oil mix. Okay, so I really love this. Now let's go to mixed greases for growing bald spots. So I actually use that amount, 2 scoops of the vegetable pomade hair grease, and the Indian hemp hair and scalp treatment grease. I'm also going to use that. This is very thick, you guys. It has a thick consistency. That's why I love to mix them up to regrow bald spots. So if you have any bald spots at all, you guys, or if you want to regrow bald edges, if you want to regrow bald patches, this oil, it will actually regrow your bald spots. So this is how to regrow bald spots, by mixing essential oils. So you guys, this is what I'm doing now. I'm also going to use my black Jamaican castor oil in there as well because I have seen that it really works. And I'm also going to use peppermint and moringa oil, you guys. This is how to regrow bald spots on edges. You can actually regrow bald spots naturally by using these oils, okay? Because child, you don't want to use something artificial on your hair. So you can actually use this grease weekly. You can use it every single day, once a day when you're going to sleep, or twice a day. And the oil mix, you can use it in the morning and night. You just choose whatever you want. This is the grease that I made. It's really creamy, and it has oil, Jamaican castor oil, vegetable pomade, Indian hemp, a hair and scalp treatment, Blue Magic. These are the greases that it has inside. So I will be using this on my edges as well. So I can use this in the morning or in the afternoon, at night, okay? And this is my oil mixture. This is how I mix my essential oils for regrowing bald spots. And this is how it's looking like. You guys, you can't really see inside because if I tip it, it will go on the floor. But this is how it's looking like. It has a lot of essential oils, which actually helps to restore bald spots, okay? Which helps to grow hairline, because most of you guys were asking me how to grow hairline, because I know hairline, it's a very delicate. I did not measure my essential oils, I just used them. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, give me a thumbs up.